Hi, I'm Jeff Crane from Safiery.
Hi, I'm Peter from OCAM.
Safiery will do the design and package of the power packs and black tie cases. Safiery will add installation guides, and our largest systems will include prepaid modems for all online commissioning assistance.
Our focus is on customer service. We're bringing to the market an extraordinarily progressive system where we're checking off the kits to ensure that they're complete and get it out to customers in flat packs for anyone in Australia. It's pre-tested, it's pre-configured for you. We then follow up with you to ensure you've received your kit and it's in good order. Also ensure that you have access to the online videos and the instructions. So if you're better than a 5 in assembling Ikea furniture, you'll be able to put the Safiery gear in your vehicle yourself, which is really taking off-road and camping to a whole new dimension. And then if you need some help with fitting, we can do it for you right here in Epping.